How I learned pronunciation. On Wednesday, I go back to school. There is a student in my class who is very quiet. He is from South Korea. He doesn't talk much, and I notice he often looks nervous. During our class, our teacher asks if anyone has questions. The Korean student hesitates, then slowly raises his hand. He says he has a big problem with pronunciation. He explains that he knows his pronunciation is not good and he doesn't know how to make it better. Because of this, he is afraid to speak. He tells the class that he reads books and watches movies in English a lot. He understands them very well, but finds it hard to speak clearly. He wants to speak better English and asks our teacher for advice. Our teacher smiles and says, "I can help you with pronunciation. I will teach you a technique that can really help." She starts by explaining when we speak, we move our mouth and use certain muscles. The problem is when you speak English, you might use your mouth muscles the same way you do in your native language. This makes your English sound different, and sometimes it's hard for people to understand. She continues, "This is a common problem for many students. Your pronunciation might not be the same as a native speaker, but that's okay. People usually understand what you mean. As a student, it's normal for your pronunciation to not be perfect when you are learning a new language. But you can work on it and make it better. There is a technique called shadowing that can be very helpful. It's simple. You listen to someone speak and then try to copy the sound exactly. When children learn their first language, they copy what they hear from their parents again and again until their pronunciation is good. You can do the same with English. To demonstrate, our teacher goes to YouTube and finds a video that explains the shadowing technique. We all watch the video together. The video shows someone speaking clearly and slowly, and then we hear the same sentence again so we can repeat it. After watching the video, our teacher asks us to practice shadowing for about 3 minutes. We listen to short sentences and try to copy them exactly. It feels a bit strange at first, but soon we start to get the hang of it. Our teacher then tells us, "Shadowing is also very useful when you are preparing for a presentation. If you practice shadowing for about 10 minutes before your presentation, it can help you speak more clearly. You will see how much it helps with your pronunciation." I find this very interesting because I have never heard of this technique before. I think it will be very useful for improving my English speaking skills. After the lesson, I go to the school reception. I want to ask if there are any sports activities available. I really enjoy playing sports and want to continue while I am in England. The lady at the reception is very kind and tells me, "Yes, we have a table tennis team and a football team. The football team has practice today at 5 o'clock. I am very happy to hear this because sports are very important to me. I decide to join the football practice. When I arrive at the field, I meet many players from different countries. There are players from Brazil, Japan, Russia, Spain, Argentina, and Italy. Everyone is very friendly, and I enjoy the training session a lot. I am happy that my time in England is starting well. I have a great teacher who is helping me with my English, and I am making new friends from the football team. I am also excited because tomorrow I start my new job. Everything is going well, and I look forward to my time here." When you want to improve your pronunciation, try to mimic the way native speakers talk. When you want to learn English, read, listen, and speak. Spend 30 minutes on each activity every day. See you in the next part of the story.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.